13 WMAZ weather, sponsored by Bucky Holland Heating, Cooling, Plumbing.
All right, well, there you see it. Weather impact alert is in place. Now, I know we do a lot of these for a lot of different weather events. I want to emphasize the weather impact alert for tonight and for tomorrow morning is not for severe weather. We're just talking about some heavy rainfall. It's the first time we've had it in a while, so we wanted to go ahead and throw it out there on your radar. We haven't seen it just yet, but it is on the way. You can kind of tell that just by looking outside tonight. Lots of cloud cover at the fairgrounds right now, and it's cool and breezy as well. 52 degrees there at the fairgrounds. Across the area, temperatures are a fairly similar story. It's been another cool day today. That's how Sunday was, and that's how most of the day was today. Low 50s to mid 50s across the board, and temperatures really won't be much of our focus tonight. But as we go into the overnight hours, the overnight low is going to stay fairly warm, right around average for this time of year in the low 40s. The bigger conversation will probably be the rain chances that start late tonight and stick with us throughout the overnight hours and to kick off early Tuesday morning. So it'll be rain all night long. I actually think the bulk of it will occur while you're sleeping tonight, so it may make for some good sleeping weather. Again, there's no reason to be up for any sort of weather alerts. We're just talking about rainfall overnight tonight. It sticks with us into Tuesday morning, hence the weather impact alert, because you likely will have a little bit of a messy commute on the way to work tomorrow morning. So let's kind of break it down on the satellite and radar and then on the future view. Right now you can see a lot of cloud cover across the state here, but out towards the west is what's heading our direction. This low pressure system that's come off the Gulf is moving towards us, and it is going to bring some widespread heavy rainfall to our area starting late tonight. Right now we're mainly talking about cloud cover. There is a couple of light spotty showers out there, mainly over here in Crawford and Taylor counties. But other than that, we don't really have the bulk of the rainfall just yet. But don't worry, it will be here. Again, as we push towards the late night hours tonight, that's when we'll start to see this heavier rainfall take over. And then it will just stick with us all night tonight into the early morning hours for Tuesday. So if you have an especially early morning commute, I'm talking maybe 5, 6 a.m., that's when the bulk of this heavy rainfall will still be here. Again, widespread. There's no areas that are going to be excluded from this. But as we creep towards more normal morning commute times, 7 to 9 a.m., we're still dealing with a lot of this heavy rainfall. So just go ahead and carve out a couple of extra minutes as you head out the door on Tuesday morning, because we will be dealing with this through most of the morning. The good news is by the time we get to the mid-morning, 10 to 11 a.m., a lot of this begins to move out, and then we actually have a fairly dry rest of the day Tuesday. So yes, the morning is going to be a little bit messy, but by your commute home on Tuesday evening, things will be completely clear, and then we'll head into Wednesday, which is going to be one of the only completely clear days on the 7-day forecast. By Thursday, rain chances return that carry us over into the upcoming weekend. So we mentioned this is actually going to be a heavy rainfall event, not like the last ones we've had where we didn't really accumulate much rainfall. So hopefully this does make a positive impact on our drought conditions. The heaviest spots tomorrow could see around 2 inches of rainfall. If that's not enough, we do have another rain chance on the way Friday night heading into early Saturday morning. Some of that may linger around into Sunday. Right now models are in a lot of disagreement about this. We'll keep our eye on that weekend rain chance, and other than that, it is just going to be a cool and dreary work week.